Today I'm going to tell you about my happy place. This place is called Camp Fox, and it's located on Catalina Island. I've gone to Camp Fox every summer since I was 3 years old. I went with my parents when I was little, and when I was 8, I finally got to go by myself to sleepaway camp. As I grew older, I became a counselor, and now I'm one of the lead directors of the camp. So, in my opinion, Camp Fox is breathtakingly beautiful. It's nestled in a cove right on the ocean. At camp, you get to sleep in open-air villas with bunk beds where you can feel the ocean breeze and hear the waves as you sleep. There are so many fun activities like tubing, snorkeling, paddleboarding, kayaking, high ropes, rock wall, archery, crafts, hiking, fishing, and lots of field sports and games. We wear silly outfits to every meal and have a really fun campfire each night where we do all sorts of funny songs and skits. However, none of these cool activities are what make Camp Fox my happy place. In fact, it doesn't even have to do with the physical place at all. My friends and I like to say that we could run camp in an empty parking lot and it would be just as fun. It is my happy place because of how it makes me feel on the inside. At camp, I feel so free and able to be completely myself, away from all the stress of the real world. I can be super silly and act like a kid. It's a place of true acceptance of all kinds of people. Those places don't exist a lot in this world. Camp serves as a reset each year for myself and the other directors, counselors, and campers who keep coming back. We spend time reflecting, setting goals, and learning about life lessons. It's one of those places where you go to give to others and end up gaining just as much from them as they do from you. The absolute most important part of camp to me is the people that I share it with. We call each other our camp family because we share a very special bond that is hard to explain in words. We understand, accept, love, and support each other no matter what. When we all get together on the island each year, I feel the greatest feeling of happiness that I know. I leave feeling empowered to take my best self back to the real world, and I try to keep my happy place as a feeling inside my heart 365 days a year.